It's day 18. That's right, folks. Day 18. As you can see, the profile washer dryer combo, and here's your serial make and model number right there. Write that down. It's still not working. That's right, GE Profile washer dryer combo, 6 months old. That's right, 6 months old. It broke. 18 days later, GE has failed to fix it. It's been 4 days since the service technician came out to look at it and said, "Oh, I don't have the parts for that. We have to order it. But don't worry, we'll have it FedExed to your house." Well, it's 4 days later and the parts have not arrived. Now we get an email from GE saying that it will be about another week before they can get the service technician out here. That is totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. You'd think if you spend enough money to buy a used freaking car, because yeah, that's about what this thing cost. This thing was just shy of $2,700. So, you're paying that much money, you expect it to last longer than 6 months. And then if it does break, you sure don't expect to be without a washer and dryer for 18 days. That is totally unacceptable in anybody's book. I don't care how much you pay for something. You shouldn't have to wait 18 days to get it repaired. Love this 10-year limited warranty. Well, that warranty ain't worth the paper it's written on if they ain't got the parts to fix it and they can't get it serviced in a timely manner. So, here we are. 18 days later. GE Profile washer dryer combo, and it's not repaired. So if you're even thinking about buying one of these things, just don't. Just save yourself the headache and the trouble, and just don't even buy one. It's a novel idea. It's space saving. Space saving don't do you a bit of good if it don't work.